Number 31 on page number 6.58. Kanika, Disha and Kabir were partners in the ratio 2:1:1 and their balance sheet is given. Kanika retired on 1st April 2016. One of the partner, that is Kanika, has retired. For this purpose, the following adjustments were agreed upon. So 4 adjustments are given and we have to prepare the revaluation account, capital account and the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So first of all, let us prepare the revaluation account. So fixed assets, point number B, it is given fixed assets were to be increased to 3 lakh, and in the balance sheet the fixed assets are given 2,40,000. It is increased, so that is increased by 60,000. So increase has been written in the credit side of revaluation account. Then next adjustment, point number C, stock was to be valued at 120. It means 20% increased. So that increase of 20% again I have shown in the credit side of revaluation account. Nothing more is related to the revaluation account. So the profit of 80,000 has been distributed among Kanika, Disha and Kabir in their old profit sharing ratio. Next one is partners capital account. So partners capital account will start with the balance, that is BD 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 80,000, and these are given inside the balance sheet. Now next adjustment to be written here is the profit which we have shown here will be recorded here 40,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Then point number A, goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees valued at 2 years purchase of average profits of the 3 completed preceding years of the date of retirement. The profits for the year are 2013-14, 2014-15 and for 15-16 it is not given, and it is has been told in the question to take it out for the average profits of 3 completed years. So where is the third one? Inside the balance sheet in the asset side you see profit and loss account has been written 20,000. So that will take, so that is the loss. If it is given in the asset side, that is the loss. So 1 lakh plus 1,30,000 minus 20,000. So that will give us 70 divided by 3, that will give us 70,000, and goodwill is to be calculated 2 years purchase. So 70,000 into 2, that is 1,40,000. Now out of 1,40,000, what will be the share of this Kanika? So that will be 2 upon 4. So that will give us how much? Again 70,000. So that 70,000 of Kanika's share of goodwill will be adjusted through the capital accounts of Disha and Kabir in their gaining ratio. Nothing is written, so it is equally. So that is, I have shown here by Disha's capital 35,000, by Kabir's capital 35,000, and here I have shown to Kanika's capital 35 and 35. Here I have written 2 PL account. This is written for the share of the profit of that year for Kanika, and then to Kanika's loan. Now what we'll do is we'll total it, we'll subtract these 2 items. Sorry, this this will be the difference. When I'll take the total of this one and subtract this one, whatever the difference will come, that is to be transferred to the loan account of the retiring partner. So I have transferred it to the loan account. Similarly, total it, subtract these 2 and the balance CD, total these 2, subtract these 2, this will give us the balance for the remaining partners. Now the easiest part of this question will be the preparation of the balance sheet. We have to write the changed values of all the assets and liabilities. Debtors, was there any change? No. So 60,000 I have written. Stock was to be appreciated 120%, 20% was to be increased, so 20% I have increased. Fixed asset at 3 lakh it was to be written, so I have written that. Bank account 60,000 has been written. Liability side, trade creditors no change, so 53,000. Employees provident fund no change, so 47,000. Kanika's loan here we have calculated, that is 3 lakh, so I have written 3 lakh. And then capital accounts are 80,000 and 60,000, so I have written that, and that is 5,40,000 in both the sides. This side you can see the calculation of goodwill and the adjustment of goodwill, for that I have shown here. You can take the help from here. This I have explained earlier, but in the written form I have shown here also, that you can see and get understood.